Yeah, but the car park. I know car park. Folly Oval. Yeah, man, a race house is starting, you know, daddy. So we want to take in the race, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to take in the race now. Not car park. Folly Oval. Out there with there. You know the kids them out. I think it's a sport day. Yeah, the place nice. You know, Folly to the world. Yeah, man, Port Antonio nice, you know, they alright, one race out to start from, mad people. Yeah, man, Veteran TV to the world. Whole of Jamaica, ya daddy. So, the race are kind of different, you know. Yeah, it's a bag race, this, you know. Yeah, everyone in a bag. Yo, I love this, a bad thing. Watch a race now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 competitors in a race, so we can see what going on for them now. Folly Oval to the world. So we have a winner. Deliberate. What go on? Where you come? Where you come that race?
Everyone left again. Everyone left again.
What the winner there? Who come first? Where you there? I'm come first. Big up yourself, my winner. Mad people, yeah. So how was the jumping, brethren? Eh? How was the jumping?
Good, man. Good.
Okay, stumping. Yeah, but the Veteran TV, you know, I'm about ya. Folly Oval. And a competition there. See, I celebrate. Celebrate around third in the race.
Yeah, man, match on the sky there.
Mad people, yeah. Yeah, man, I tell people, go on a little bit of walk down in the Jamaica at all times. You see it? Mad.
Ready for you!
See, one of my that TV personally, walk on.
They are no veteran.
Selassie.
I hold it, you know.
Oh,
yeah,
you
man.
mean?
You know, we have to do something for the pit in them, you know.
I mean, yeah,
alright.
Miss McNeil!
Just taking a back race a while ago and it wasn't bad at all.
Alright.
Yeah, I jump like a frog, you know.
Yeah, you have to start from
early. I love it.
You
I
have
love
to
it.
practice.
Yeah, so you have to play a little from now then?
Me, I play.
Yeah, but now you lock down the whole of the set. See it there in the world. Veteran TV.
Yeah.
Maddy. Yeah, man, not Folly Oval with you know the general, they are bad selector, you know, see
yeah,
there, you know.
Man, alright.
You know what I mean?
You go for the
family. Yeah.
Veteran TV. You know where you go?
How?
Portland with there.
Portland with
Portland
there. How? Yeah, man. Every little thing out there, see all the oval, you know. Folly, you know, the hardy. You see? Folly Oval to the world. Yeah, and that's how we do it out there. You see, people. Mad people, you know. The place amazing, daddy. Veteran TV. Nicely.